What's up, everybody? Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Sweat Economy token. Ticker symbol is SWEAT. This token is taken off. It's getting a whole bunch of new listings. It's got a new CoinGecko listing. It's got a new CoinMarketCap listing, and it's being listed on a central exchange starting today, September 13th. Brand new listing. Just happened, basically. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. Before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here, the Sweat Economy. So yeah, they just got listed on CoinMarketCap today. They're basically even right now. They're down 0.96%, which is nothing. Sitting at about 5 cents per token. Sweat's the ticker symbol. Their official web pages, they have two listed here. They have sweateconomy.com and sweatco.in. They also have their Etherscan listed on here. Medium, Twitter, Reddit, Discord, Telegram, full white paper. They have a brand new central exchange listing today. So if you're looking to get this token, it just got listed today on Mexc Global. Now, if you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is just go right through that Mexc referral code down there, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search SWEAT, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then you simply trade your USDT for the SWEAT token. That's about it, or the Sweatcoin, I guess it's called. Now, they do have a full white paper that works here on their webpage. If you click on it, it is 23 pages. It says Sweat Economy is the neutral evolution of Sweatcoin Global. Open and fair Sweat is a next generation cryptocurrency that will bring the next billion people into Web 3.0 and make movement part of global GDP. And that is a quote from the co-founder there, it says. So it says, move to earn. We designed Sweatcoin to incentivize people to get moving. With 110 million plus users walking 20% more after downloading Sweatcoin, and 600 partners providing in Q1 of 2022 alone, $70 million worth of goods and services in exchange for steps, you could say mission accomplished. We say that we are just getting started. The mission remains the same, to reward movement to inspire a healthier, wealthier planet. Tokenization, however, changes everything. What was regional becomes global. What was centralized becomes permissionless. What was closed economy becomes a world in which every step mints a token that can be exchanged, redeemed, and applied to many new use cases. We call this the open economy of movement. One small step for man. We have created an entirely new way that you can earn, an entirely new mechanism of value creation. Everyone has the equal right to earn from and contribute to the new economy. Sweat increases physical activity, but we wouldn't want to claim that sweat causes a healthier world. The relationship between health and physical activity is only one correlation, not causation. When people become more physically active, they are more likely to improve their health in other areas too. Sweat can kickstart that positive feedback loop for people's physical and mental health. Consider that the purpose of Sweat. We want people to get moving because we hope by incentivizing one contributing factor to general well-being that we can play a part in bringing about that well-being to a greater number of people. I like how they worded that. That's like also, also sleep and eating healthy are big factors. Not too much stress and negativity on those types of things, environment, yada, yada, yada. But exercise is very important. Stepping on the gas, initially Sweat will be available to eligible users who can download the Sweatcoin app. In early Q1 2022, Sweatcoin had 65 million users. By August, it was 110 million. And yeah, like their Twitter is doing amazing. I was looking at it earlier. Let me see if I can find it on here. There it is. Okay. So they, at Sweat Economy is their Twitter. They have 335,000 Twitter followers. Insane amount of Twitter followers. And yeah, they're just getting listed all over the place now. And the newest one there is Mexc Global, which is one of the best exchanges in my opinion. The Sweat Foundation will make an offer for every Sweatcoin user to opt in to claim 1 Sweat for every Sweatcoin in their wallet without burning their Sweatcoins. Yeah, so basically, I guess this is the new token. Sweatcoin was the initial one, and then now we got the Sweat Economy token. The TGE will occur in Q3 2022. At TGE, the Sweat Foundation will mint enough Sweat to match the Sweat coins of the users who have opted in. So there you go. The team who brought to you Sweatcoin. So it says, walk the talk. Product market fit has been validated by Sweatcoin success. That's a centralized regional walled garden currency with a limited range of rewards has gained such a popularity, testifies to the strength of the product and the simple fact that people love to earn rewards from their steps. It is an offering that has spoken to brands, institutions, and others alike. So Sweat is minted solely by verifying movement. Therefore, a stable number of users increases minting input, which is steps. An increase in users increases the input. A change in users' habits, all users walking more because of intention and rewards, makes the input rise exponentially. Each Sweat will require more steps to mint than the last. To achieve our vision of making the world more physically active, Sweat will be harder to mint with time. Not only does this incentivize users to get moving now, as their movement generates more Sweat today than tomorrow, it preserves the utility of Sweat as the model represents an ever-increasing marginal cost of production. That makes sense, actually. So then it's going to be harder to earn the tokens because the tokens will eventually be more valuable as well. I think the more people that own the tokens, that makes sense. So it says your data is yours now and forever. Sweatcoin has never sold users data, so that's good. It goes over that on here. It has a big section on Sweat fundamentals, tokenomics. So basically there's going to be NFTs, DeFi functions, access to audience advertising, alternative movement validators, data analytics, premium subscription services, and tokenomics. You can stake them. Tiered minting limits. There's rewards, of course. Dynamic NFTs, fiat on-ramps. And then they're going to have a crypto-to-crypto exchange eventually. NFT marketplace, crypto marketplace, curated offers, tiered transaction fees, referral fees, and eventually a Sweat DAO. So you can have voting rights. And then we got an open economy of movement, data analytics, and movement validators. So those are all the things they're working towards. And yeah, that's basically about it. It's got a full lengthy roadmap on here and stuff that you could check out. A bunch of socials all listed on their white paper. Check them out on CoinMarketCap. Check out their Twitter at Sweat Economy. And check them out on Mexc Global. Link for Mexc referral code is in the description box. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And leave a comment. What do you guys think about Sweat Economy? Thanks for watching, everybody. You all have a great day out there. Peace out.